Alright, partner. You know what time it is. It's time to Haas. Yeah. With some messed up parts. Check it out.
I believe it's in there like somehow like that. But we'll check it out.
What a disaster. I definitely didn't like trying to set this up in the beginning. Once I got the hang of it, though, I didn't
This would
mind
be
it.
interesting.
High speed. That's how we do it over here. Right now, I'm trying to figure out how this sucker goes on there, but there's blocks at the front of that fixture that are stopping me from putting it on there right.
Yo, I don't know.
It's got brackets, and I don't know how it sets. How it sets in there.
I would say
It's got this bolt right here. That's all everything else now. So
this might be.
that one doesn't bother you.
Take this out.
Take what out?
Take these blocks out. Then get to the second one. Yeah. Where's that?
And then the other part, you can kind of see a little bit right here, like the mark.
Duh.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Yank all four of those. Put these in here. Like that.
I'm gonna take this thing out again.
Yeah, but this, and then once we're all set up, I'm gonna have to. It looks like this will go here, then we'll put here, and there. And here's our height setting.
Yeah, I think you're right. Those are right in the fucking way, aren't they?
Yeah,
So I gotta do my X, Y, and Z again then.
Nope.
No?
Take these out.
How though?
Oh, they're not from underneath. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you're good. The motor's out.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna have to take it out and go from underneath. Sweet.
Gotta be right there.
The frustration. He's waiting for me right now. If I take too long, he goes and gets the wrench himself. He works way faster than I do. Listen, I come and ask him something.
Oh, this size.
Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome.
I'll come get you when I get these off of here.
Oh,
I'll come get you when I get these off. Oh. Well, they're not very tight in there, huh?
no, I only took 3. I didn't get clips in the drawer one.
It takes a lot to upset my boss. That's Mayberry right there. I don't think he's pissed. I just think he gets frustrated at me sometimes.
Yeah, it sits on this bolt trying to do there for it.
Yeah, the bolts are for height. Keep it.
There's another one that sits on top of there, huh?
He's hella good at his job, though. He does this kind of stuff super fast. I love it.
So it sits on those like points.
Yes, that's right.
He does awesome LS swaps, too. Check him out.
Forward.
My wife braids my hair, by the way. I'm fast forwarding all the nonsense, so that way we can watch it
That looks more
peacefully.
like it.
This is pretty funny, though, watching
Yeah, that looks way better.
us do this. It's pretty
You don't want that thing like super fast, huh?
strenuous on the brain.
But yeah, you don't want to bend it.
For him, too.
Try to jerk it around.
This looks like tons of fun. Believe it or not, it makes my day go fast, and I enjoyed it once I got going. You could tell I'm enjoying myself, even though at first I didn't.
Go start when you get it.
Yeah, high speed, baby. We gotta go get Devin. Devin knows what's up. We always go get Devin for the hard stuff. It's intermission right now. That was the first machine I started on right there. I moved over.
Oh yeah.
There's Devin. What's up, Devin?
Yeah, what up, big
My man.
The
He truly is the
inspector.
inspector.
What you think, man?
I love this guy. I went to college with him. He knows what's up. Super smart. Uber smart. Except he needs some new headphones. It's a good Christmas present. Boom!
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Give that man a raise.
Check your ass up again.
What a setup.
Freaking love you, man. That could have been.
I
Get that
think
strap.
the last time I ran this, I did that same thing. So I added that a little bit.
Because it looks like it was just set in there, huh?
Yeah.
Kind of confusing with the two things, but
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Should just be one of them.
yeah, we should pull that sucker. Although you might use it all the time. I was gonna say there's probably something else going on.
Dun-dun-dun. Here comes a bull crap line in 4, 3, 2.
Well, now that I know, it'd be a lot easier.
Sure, buddy.
I don't think we even did that kind of thing. We don't use it.
No?
Mm-mm.
Pull that sucker. Stability.
Program in here.
Right there and right here. I broke this one first and then that one.
How does he know?
The big reaction a lot.
You broke here or here? Inside here.
On your G, I mean.
Oh, on the Z, you got it right here.
I think he quizzes me sometimes.
I reckon you should be good to go. Look for that.
The other one looks good, huh?
Mm, not to Devin standards.
I'll be a tiny bit
I love it.
Okay. Little tap, tap, tap.
I'm always afraid to give Devin my parts because I know he's gonna find something. Lately, though, my parts have been good, so I'd hand him any part that I make. It's hard to make consistent parts, yo.
More cast aluminum.
Good
Let's see what tomorrow brings.
stuff.
I'm just singing the song. You know what I'm talking
Whatever tomorrow brings.
I always look for this wrench because it's cut off. And I like it because you can put it in your vices a lot easier without opening your vices all the way. Very fancy. Very homemade. You find the best gadgets in the metal shop. You can make anything you want here. People get pretty creative when they need something. Dark necessities
My
are part of my
design.
design.
Where you going, see? Nice pants, bro. What are you wearing? What is that? Is that Bruce Lee?
It's going down, yo.
Can't hear you, man.
Got the teddy bears all ready.
Because
Here we go, man.
they look like teddy bears.
Wish me luck. I'm scared, dude. Makes me
Don't be
nervous,
scared.
bro. Should be good.
I am scared though.
Making sure we can see good. Nice and centered.
Nice and centered. Oh, here we go.
Alright, here we go.
Oops. Said it twice, my bad. And we start cutting. First cut of the day.
I didn't touch those. No bueno.
It's messed up. So I gotta keep dropping it. Dropping my Z. I dropped it 5 thou, 5 thou, and then 3 thou, and then 3 thou. If I remember correctly. It's the next day right now, so I don't know. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But every job that I do makes me nervous. This one is the worst job that we have, so it may definitely make me nervous. But it's a nice cut. It takes a long time. Once you get it set up, maybe it's a good 20-minute run. Gives you a break from it. But you do that for 10 hours, woo, boy. Tell you what. I got it in 25%. Let's make it turn that rapid up to 100, bro. Blow that sucker off. Let me fast forward this action. Yeah, that was a bunch of nonsense. It's going way too slow. Oh, look. Oh, close up there. Yeah, we're looking at you, buddy. You didn't know? Look at Pepe over there in the corner. Hang on, let me focus in. There's Mike Beeson, and on the other VF4 back there is Pepe right there. Mike Beeson's been here for a long time. He's a good guy. He's worked here, I think, 15 years, or probably longer than that. I think it was 15 when I got here. But yeah, he's one of them dinosaurs. Pepe's been here a long time too, actually. You're looking at a vet right there. Yeah, that's my good friend right there. Oh, Pepe. That you want to answer, you can ask that guy anything with this stuff. You can ask him anything with anything. He's got a good answer. He's listening to me right now. I should be quiet. Sorry, Pepe. You the man. Meanwhile, this guy.
Let's go another 10,000.
Hey. Yeah, I took another 10. Was it 10,000? Well, I'm doing.
I have to do 5,000. 10s. We're losing material.
5,000. I was gonna say 10,000 a lot. Hopefully they went okay because Mike's running them tonight. I'll find out when I get to work today. Let me hook you up with some good viewing. That's all
Where
right.
you can see better that way,
Looks
huh?
good.
You like that, don't you? A little teddy bears laying down.
Like gummy bears.
I feel like these should be made more oversized.
I agree.
That way we don't have this problema.
The problema being.
I'm gonna go 3,000. You still see the shiny or the dullness right here.
Very.
Dang. Let's fix the view for you guys.
Hey, I can see.
Not bad. Ooh,
It's much better.
that's what I'm talking about. Perfect.
See the teddy bear? Hang on.
It's a teddy bear. Gummy bear, look at.
Gotta show you. I'm punching in 3,000 right now, negative 3,000. Gotta take one of the arms off there. It's not touching that one though. It's not supposed to, but it does.
3,000. You guys see what I'm talking about though? See right here?
True.
I'll color it.
Good attitude. You stink.
You can see it better.
Yeah, but you're running in a fourth
It
axis.
rocks.
Come
You
on,
see it
have a
now?
little confidence.
There it is.
It doesn't. All right, so we're just kind of scooting along here. But what I was saying about it not touching the first one, and it does, I didn't add any comps or put any negative comps on that, but it just going over the material, it takes them off because of the flex. It like kind of grows back a little bit in the empty spaces after you cut it. It's weird. Metal has a personality, has a memory.
Oh yeah.
It wants to go back to where it was.
Go to my other machine. That one's acting way cooler than this one.
Walk about 15 steps and bam, there we are. Oh, we're upside down, dude. I can't see.
This is my other machine. It's not really mine. I didn't pay for it, but I use it. Second edition.
You gotta flip this part 180 degrees to the left.
Sucker out of here. It's ready.
Here come the high waters. Brace yourself. Boom. Whoa, what's going on there? Back again. For your viewing pleasure. Funky socks. Why are we doing high waters? What's going on? Is there a flood? Huh.
Later.
A lot of shenanigans going on here.
That's loud.
You hear that little bing?
Let's watch this machine for a minute. Type it up for the dude. High speed.
What? Flip did he do it out of there, huh? Yeah, peekaboo. 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 Rock and roll, he says. Let's see. Oh, he wasn't playing. Sucker's flying. I'm just kidding. I put it in 5 times high speed time lapse. That way we don't have to sit and watch this coolant splash all over the place. Here's some more. I just wanted you guys to see this other part that I was doing in the middle of that complex part.
Crazy, man.
Back to the fun.
I gotta watch it down.
Keep saying it like it's not fun. It's just challenging. You gotta be ready for the challenge. You know what I'm saying? Feel me?
That looks good, man.
Challenge is... If you ain't ready for the challenge, you know, maybe you should just go on home. Forget about it. Go back to sleep, start over again.
Everything's looking good so far.
The mindset.
But we can't speak now.
Oh, yeah. Nope. We're superstitious machinists, I think, are all superstitious. You don't say you're having a good day. You don't. Huh? Yeah, you don't say things are going smooth. It's just, you don't do it. Because right when you say that, Murphy's Law kicks
Yeah, that
in.
one's a little scary.
Boy,
Is it
yeah.
moving? No, moving.
Ooh. It's like a horror movie.
This may be a
I
while.
like those loud jobs, though, because it lets people know you're working. Wait. It said it's going to be a while. But I was just saying that it lets people know you're working, know your machine's running.
Now what are you doing?
So when it's actually cutting, this thing's just floating around the surface.
Bro. Oh, the life of a button pusher machinist. Gray hairs are forming.
Get over it. Gray hairs are forming.
Oh, yeah.
It can get stressful in machine shop.
I haven't even checked my coolant level.
Especially when you have parts like this. You should always check your coolant level. Every day, fool. What's wrong with you?
Oh, that's right on the surface. Woo.
If you look to your right, you will see the fourth axis.
I can't. I like loud jobs.
I'll turn the volume up so you guys can hear this noise that the machine's making while it's cutting this part. It can be pretty obnoxious. Thought I'd share it with you.
Here comes some more fun. The other one doesn't look so bad. Am I happy with it? I don't know yet. We'll find out.
Two people were working on this job, myself and this other gentleman, Mike. He's a vet as well. He's been working there for a long time, and he's awesome at machining. He knows how to use his machines very well. But he runs a night shift, so I'm running this part during the day, and he's got to come and like finish it or do the middle op, and then I come and do the last op, or vice versa. It's kind of hard. The last op or vice versa. It's kind of hard. But I feel like we make a good team.
In. Only the second tool.
Crazy. This thing takes forever, huh? It's okay though. Get paid by the hour, right? No big deal. I do try to go like as fast as a human being can go, not as fast as a human being can go, but as fast as, to keep a good steady work pace. That way, I get stuff done and still stay focused. It's easy to stay focused on this job because you just bury yourself in these machines.
So I took the part out. We're
You
gonna
go to one and then you go to the other. You just juggle.
90 degrees to the left. It's all zoom for you. So I always mark my data. 90 degrees to the left, like so. I'm gonna cut a big cutout right here. Watch this.
You guys ready for the big time? Here comes the rock star. Oh, yeah. You know what time it is. Wait, I already said that, huh? Let's go. I have a love-hate relationship with the high-speed end mill. I love watching it work, but sometimes you gotta set it up to where you make a tool path with another tool because this thing will run into your aluminum soft jaws and break. It can go through steel, but not aluminum. It gums up and breaks off an aluminum. The carbide will do. Just too much for that old aluminum. It gets too hot or something. Rotates too fast, but that thing is awesome. It's just like hot butter right there. Look how smooth that cut is. It has a through coolant collet. That's a heat shrink collet too. A Haas heat shrink collet. It's held on by heat. See, that's why it's a different color on the, like it's purple and then silver. Metallic.
That sucker.
But yeah, that tool is cool.
Oh, that's not that bad.
It's one part. It leaves a big old mess. I have seen worse. Inspect it. Always inspect your work first before you pull it out. I even
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Couple over.
trusty calipers.
Wow.
Money, money, money. It was all within that 5/10. You get 5/10 to play with there. That's 5/10 of an inch. They do some gentlemen. Mayberry likes him. If Mayberry likes him, that means I like him. Even if I didn't like him before and he likes him, I'm like, I'll change my attitude right quick. Yeah, get those suckers out of here. Do we measure much, bro?
That's pretty rare.
Yeah.
You know, if the tool is good,
First shot, nailed everything.
whether it's in the right spot or not, I don't know.
It's gonna do what the program's gonna do.
Yeah. Cool, you're done, huh?
I gotta do spot drill next.
Oh, did you go to the top of the program?
Yeah, I stopped at
Got it.
mid-program.
Okay.
I thought I was gonna. That's good.
Okay.
It's like the third time that's happened in my career.
First time for everything.
Yeah, third time, I think, for real.
So,
Let's raise it 5 thou and roll on to the next one.
All right, looks good. So now we're going to M3.
Boom.
Which is
Spot
the spot
drill.
drill. I don't know where the spot drill goes.
N3 is line 3.
That's it so far. Pretty funky little situation.
Look at that fixture. Yeah, it's crap, but it works. I'm not bagging on the engineer. I'm just saying.
Hey, here's it.
Or the programmer. My bad.
Go back over yonder.
I can't do it.
There's
all the
VF9,
machines. We're in Haas country.
VF4. This is the VF6. There's the big ass fan.
And the American flag. Represent.
All right, let's go spot drill.
All right, let's run her out. Let's prove our tools, make
How
sure
long
they're
that
good.
sucker is.
Oh,
Pretty close,
it's
see?
like 2.5 inches. No, it's like 3.
Now you can kind of see the location. See how it looks.
This part's pretty big. It looks small, but it's a big part. You'll see. I'm gonna show what's happening right now. Could have fast forwarded.
I like it.
Yeah, because it's not.
My reference line is... Whoa, there's a dog in here. That's odd. My reference
What
line is
in
a center line to
tarnations?
this.
Pretty sweet, huh? If you're watching this, you know what that is. The
I
reference
feel like
line.
I'm bothering Mayberry at this point. But I have to continue to ask him. 'Cause I need to know how I'm supposed to find
He
the
doesn't
wire.
mind.
Usually, you do an equation.
He's a good man.
Break time, Tony. Come on.
Just tone low. Tone low?
Well, no, it's not quite actually. Still got it. Yeah! That many seconds.
There it
That was
is.
close. Hello?
Get out of here. You weren't close.
I was just saying hi.
I'm just making sure it's actually stopping.
Oh.
You're like a minute off.
Here's my sweater. I was looking for it yesterday for this morning. I found it.
Liar, that's mine.
What's break time? Deuces. Deuces.
What? What's that? Yeah, pump it up. Pump
I gotta do a
it
plug
up.
tap.
So those are 3 vices.
Quarter
Oh,
20 plug tap.
shoot,
Super
my
long.
bad.
Quarter 20 plug tap. Super long.
Those are Kurt vices. There's 3 of them. They're set up normal, and I just put a fixture on top of them. Clamped them in.
This is part 1.
That's
Tomorrow,
right. When you get
we'll
it set
do the
up.
stand up where the teddy bear stands up on the 4th axis. Alright, let's blow this sucker off.
Monday morning.
Monday morning.
Every morning there's a halo hanging from the corner of my girlfriend's 4-post bed. Sorry, that's every morning reminded me of that song. Blowing that sucker off, getting it all cleaned up. No one's. Yeah, for real. It wasn't so bad.
Alright, let's remove it.
Trust me.
Let's remove these 2 parts from this table.
From this monstrosity.
Going down!
What's
Got my ratchet.
what's going on over there?
My Allen.
Trusty ratchet. You're a ratchet. Ooh.
I didn't want to take them
I
off.
heard
I gotta
that.
take the whole thing off.
Whatever, dude. Do it.
Red over there, look at red.
There's Red. Hey. What's up, Red and Pepe? The two homies.
Those are my two friends over there. That's Pepe and
My
Red
friends.
right there. Oh yeah!
Yeah. Terrible.
Trying to sound like Red. There's the big gummy bear. See that work he did? Ugly.
Does not look like a gummy
Didn't
bear.
get the top very well.
Maybe a little.
Hang on, I'll be right back. I gotta go find Mayberry.
Digital. Looks like a digital aluminum teddy bear, gummy bear. Look at the two vets just chilling. They know what's up. You can ask those guys anything and they'll tell you. There's a lot of knowledge there. They're pretty cool. There's Chris walking by. Hang on. Rewind it really quick. There he is. There's Christopher. Slow motion for me. Moving slow motion for me. Chris is cool too, my man. I make such good friends at work. Like I like these guys a lot. Spend a lot of time with them. Definitely my friends. They always say it's not good to have friends at work, but I'm happy to have friends at work. There's my friend right there. My friend Red. Red's awesome too. He calls me over to shoot some videos sometimes. Who's that on the forklift smashing?
You see what's going on over here? Not really.
Seriously. Not really, but getting closer, bro. Oh, okay. Alright, yeah. Yeah, the new one. I'll put it in backwards. Oh.
No shimmies, huh? Usually, like, there's a shim
No
I gotta
shims.
throw in there or something.
I'm proud that there's no shims. Happy to say. You gotta want to be able to do this kind of stuff. I don't mind it. To me, I have a slight case of OCD, so this is perfect for me. If you have a slight case of OCD, try and be a machinist or a CNC operator / machinist. You'll like it because you can get away with the stuff that, because you got to double check everything. It's perfect. So you can stare at it and then stare at it again. Make sure it's good. Make sure it's perfect. Especially with fourth axis, everything has to be perfect. Even though this isn't fourth axis, it's coming up to fourth axis. So all of this has to be perfect before it gets onto the fourth axis. Otherwise, my holes won't line up. They won't coincide, which would be crap. All my features got to be specific. Otherwise, what's the point? Right? Why else do you come to work? What's the point? You gotta hustle. If you don't like your job, I love my job, but if you don't like your job or you don't love it, roll out, go somewhere else. It's not hard. It's not hard to find another job. You know what's up. Get some. Sorry, I didn't mean to preach. I just want people to have a good time at work. It's pretty cool to be able to go to work and enjoy the people you work around and enjoy what you do. That's my YouTube studio right there. You didn't know? There goes Chris again in the background. What's he up to? Mayberry. My man. Can't hear you, bro. Little tap taparoo. Like Happy Gilmore. Happy tappy.
I twisted it a little bit. Look at it. It's not all the way.
Oh, he's freestyling.
That's how I had it. Good. I just need to know that that's okay. You know?
Sure.
I don't know how we're gonna get it any other way. Yeah.
That's how I had it. What a liar.
Fucked out.
I did though. That's how I had it. Sounds like I'm lying though. That's crap.
Yeah, I haven't tried that yet. Going to get that. Yeah. But I had it all stitched up at one point, but it was always a wrap. What?
How about that?
I don't see it, bro. No, I'm just kidding. You got to make sure there's no daylight between the part and the pin.
I like it.
Yeah, I just had to twist her a little. I needed the pressure.
Yeah.
Twist her a little. I needed the pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tighten her down.
Boston.
Probably moved again. Stupid thing.
I had to go cry to Mayberry real quick.
Sure
All right,
is.
we're all good. We cinch her down. It's time to let it run. Peace out, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Next, we'll see for the next one. Time to let it run. Peace out, y'all. Next, we'll see for the next one.
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It takes a while to make these videos. It took me like a few hours. So thanks for watching, though. If you made it this far, peace.